video training, I'm going to walk you through the couple of different ways that you can access your ads manager for running ads for your business. The first thing is underneath your Meta Business Suite. Once you log into your suite, you may have your page kind of look like this. This is where your Instagram and Facebook pages are attached for your business. And you'll have a whole bunch of things down the side here that you can have access to. Now, of course, the first one being, you'll see this lovely ads banner, and you would think that this is where your ad account is actually going to be. And unfortunately, it is not. So once you click into this one, you'll see that it gives you this lovely little ad section, including a summary and likes and all this kind of stuff. This is actually not your ads manager. This is the original type of ad that Facebook allowed people to run when they first started doing paid marketing, which is boosting posts and getting eyes onto your Facebook page specifically. Now, if you were to create an ad through here, you would see that it kind of looks like this. And you can see that some of the options that they give you, including boosting, promoting your page, get more messages, or promoting locally. So this, unfortunately, is not your business manager. So if you do start running ads out of this, just know that this is not where your business ad account is, and this is not the place to be doing this. To get to your actual ads manager, we're going to go down to settings and open up into our Meta Business account. So this may look familiar. It was in our previous training when we learned how to set up our Meta Business account. Now, the fastest way from here is just clicking your ad account settings. You can also get through it to billing and your business settings. This is just a quick redirect, which takes you directly into your ads manager. So you can see from the top, we have ads manager listed, and it just takes you into the setup here. It looks like this. Otherwise, you can just go to business home, and it will look like this. And you'll see here on the side, this is ads manager. And this is actually what your ad account will look like in varying ads that you have. So for instance, I can show you, in this sense, you'll see that this is where I run all my ads for my business going forward. Now, the next place that you can access your ads manager is, believe it or not, through your Facebook page. You'll see on your drop down on the left-hand side, you have Ads Manager listed. Now, if you don't see it, you're going to go and click See More, and then you'll be able to scroll until you find Ads Manager. Again, it is not Ad Center, but it is the Ads Manager. This will automatically redirect directly into your ad account, which looks like this. Finally, the last thing you can do is actually search for your ad account, which is business.facebook.com/ads manager. And that will also take you directly into your ad account. And those are all the different ways that you can get to your ads manager.